Okay, okay. Got it done. Now let's see here. Here is I'm just going to leave the recording on while I work. Let me tell you what I'm doing. I have here a doorbell. Here's the doorbell. I cleaned up the house as much as I could. I'm going to sit here and work on this doorbell. He's going to open it up, and after that, see what else I can do with it. And here's the wire. Here's wire. 50 feet of doorbell wire. And I gotta find the scissors. I have to find the scissors. I saw the scissors recently. I put them somewhere. They're on my desk. I'll tell you why I like my house so much. Because not only do I have the living room here and the main walk-through, or you would call it a hall if it was a hallway, but I can also go around on this side with difficulty. So I'm going this way. I'm going to get the scissors, and I want to tell you why I'm installing a doorbell. It's a small house, you know, and to be honest with you, I guess I'm lucky in a way. I only recently learned that there was a term called a shotgun house. And of course I love talking heads where they say shotgun shack, but I'm a bit naive. And I didn't know that it was not the greatest expression. But I call this the love shack. I like that song a little better now. I have the scissors, and that's good. When I can find something, I know I'm ready for a project. So here's a Utilitech doorbell. It's a dumb doorbell, but it has a nice chime in it. It rings. And the reason I'm installing the doorbell in this small house is that for my job, I've been required to install smart doorbells, and I haven't been able to. So at the very least, I'm going to open it up for you and try to work on it, but I probably won't get too far. Here's one box. That must be the chime unit, and what a nice doorbell it is. And this chime unit has to be mounted. I can't very well film that. I don't even want to open it. It'll lose the screws right now. So I'm going to set that back down, but I do have some other things I need to open. And this should be the transformer. I've heard a lot, and there's the doorbells themselves. But the thing is, how do I get the wires from the outside to the inside? That's something I'm going to have to work on. I'd like to edit this video before it goes out, but maybe that I cannot do that. And then here's the transformer. Beautiful. I don't know what to say about this. I'm not an electrician. And of course, the job I have, or had, or continue to have, requires computer people too. So it's not that I'm trying to work as an electrician. But it seems possible for me to install a doorbell. You know, I like to make fun of myself, but as I've told others, I'm the dumbbell who can't install a doorbell. I shouldn't say things like that about myself. Now, here is another little thing. And these, by the way, were Hanukkah presents. Not Christmas presents, Hanukkah presents. Why Hanukkah? Season of light, I suppose. We gave them again for Christmas, so don't worry about it. I have here a Wi-Fi smart plug and a Wi-Fi smart light switch. I have wanted to get it working for this switch over here. This is the dimmer on the big hydro lamp I have up here. So I'm not real good with these things when I've done them for the first time, and certainly not on camera. So I'm going to open the smart plug right now. One rule I have here from my computer work is to save the boxes. You know, computer work became easy for me. I got so that I knew what the parts were and what to do, and then of course all the memory types changed and the boards. It carried me for a long time. How did I learn it in the first place? Maybe from someone who did read the instructions. There's the smart switch. And there's the setup guide. And here's that was the smart plug, and here's the smart switch. Now, meanwhile, to add to your complaints about me, I also have written a book. It's entitled Building Computer Systems for the Internet of Things. Let me tell you about some of the problems with that. I'm learning to be more clear about the things I say to others. So for instance, here's this book, Building Computer Systems for the Internet of Things. And don't get me wrong, it's a nice book. I did the best I could writing it, and I feel it has good material in it. But it really just covers building some computers and not the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a big topic, so it's good to have a focus, even if you think you have a focus already. It's good. All good. So this is a Wi-Fi smart light switch. The other thing about the book is I did all these projects trying to get smart things to work and didn't consider smart things that were out there already. So that's the other reason I'm filming today. I should shut that now, right? Sorry. Let me open this switch. I'll shut it down, and we'll put it on YouTube right away. That takes some doing, by the way. So I kind of butchered the box, but that's the way it goes. I like to save the boxes. I learned that from a boss I had. This is a lost cause, however, I'm going to try not to break anything. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. There's a smart switch, but look, it has to go on the wall. What am I going to do about that? And here's the plugs. I don't know. This seems a little bit beyond me. Wasn't there one more thing I had to open? Wow. Oh, there is. There's one more thing. One more thing to open before we quit. And here is the smart thermostat. Now, this is not a Nest thermostat. This is a Honeywell thermostat. I got it on sale. You know why? No one wants a smart Honeywell thermostat right now. They want smart AI smart thermostats. Listen, I'm scared to replace the Mercury thermostat on the house. So you see why I'm not taking these jobs right now. But let me get the video up, and let's take the shrink wrap off of this and see if this looks like something I could install. I don't know. Beautiful. Technique, right? And open it up. Nice box. Save the box. Wow. It's beautiful. This might be where I start. Alright? So that's what I have for you now. And there's all the information. I have to take the time to read it. Thank you.